moment, I hope that we can just take a moment to just reflect and think about which group are we in. Right? Are we the people of dunya, or are we the people of iman, or the people of faith? Okay. But the whole point of this reflection is for us to really be much more aware of ourselves and be aware of where we are standing at this moment, so that we can work towards becoming better. So perhaps, through this short timely reminder session, you might find that, oh, okay, maybe I am more of the people of the dunya. But it's okay, right? At least you have come to a point of realization. So what we want to do next is to work towards becoming better. How can I shift myself, shift my focus, shift my intentions to becoming the people of iman? Right? And for some of us, if we are in the category of the people of iman, so this is where we tell ourselves, okay, every single day is about being better. I want to be better. So alhamdulillah, I'm already in this group of people, right? The group of the people of iman. So how can I be better people of iman, inshallah? Okay. And of course, apart from reflecting upon ourselves, maybe we might also want to look at, or empathize the people around us and see how we can also support them through this. But of course, at the end of the day, we want to weigh out our priorities, we want to balance things out, and we also need to be realistic as well lah. Right? As much as we say we want to be the people of iman, we want to be the people of akhirah, it doesn't mean that we need to negate our responsibilities in this life. Whatever commitment, whatever responsibilities that we have in this life, we still need to fulfill it, inshallah, because that is our amana. And it is through this life that we garner as much rewards as possible, as much good rewards as possible, so that it will help us in the akhirah. See, so this is where balance comes in, and this is where the whole idea of mindfulness and intention will come into play as well, inshallah.